Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations, and I'm going to show you some of the things I got for Christmas. We do a name swap in my family, and this year my sister had my name, and sometimes that means you get a quilt, but I think I got a quilt from her a few years back, so this year I was quite thrilled that she decided to get me like a crafting care package, mostly crafting stuff. So I'm just going to show you some of the things she picked up for me. So I got these tiny little books, and I think she's thrifted them from the looks of the labels on the back, but they're just tiny little children's books. They're only 2 3/4 by 3 3/8 by less than a ½ inch thick, about 3/8 thick. So we got the Child's Tea Party, the Little Book of Tops, and it came with this ribbon bookmark that has a little wooden painted top on the end of it. And it says $6.95 on the back. Might have been the original price. It's so cute. It's full of things that would be great to pull out. I just don't know if I can pull these apart. The Secrets of Joy, and this will be likely filled with a lot of good sayings and quotes that I could use. Little pictures that I can fussy cut or use. Very cute little book. And this, they have little, the Child's Tea Party doesn't, but the rest of them have book jackets. So that's a little blue book underneath the book jacket. The top book is yellow. And then the Little Book of Juggling. And again, it's a little red book. These would just look so cute sitting on a bookshelf. A great gift for a little kid that was interested in learning stuff like this. And the Little Book of Yo-Yos by Professor Yo-Yo. It looks like it might have had a yo-yo attached at one time. There's a string. It's just, they're such cute little books. I don't know if I can rip them apart. And then a little golden book, Bambi, Walt Disney's Bambi. And she knows that I've been kind of on the lookout for some that I could make into junk journals. It's easier for me, even if it's a vintage book, which this one, let's see if there's any kind of date here. Doesn't look ancient, but it does look older. 84. So it's just easier for me to cut up someone else's book that's been thrifted than one of my old from my childhood. Some ginger mints, one of my favorite flavors. Bridge score pads in the original packaging by Hoyle. So these are definitely vintage, probably from the, oh, it says 1992. I was going to say 70s, but they're not, they're newer than that. Bridge score pads. And let's save that for later. I got 3 different bottles of Bath and Body Works soaps: Iced Blue Lavender, Frozen Lake, and Sea and Sandstone. Foaming hand soap. So those will get me through the entire year likely. And then we've got some more mystifying mints in a Ouija board box. I love those. Love those little boxes. And then we got some playing cards, a bunch of different playing cards. So we got some packages of just kind of normal playing cards, red and white backs on them. A little smaller than ATC size, 1/4 inch small, so I'll have to add something down the sides of them if I want to do them as ATCs, which I might. I also just do altered playing cards too. And then some blank playing cards, which I've never seen, from Royal Co. I guess you draw your own design on the other side. Made in Canada. Royal Co. is from South Carolina though. And there's a UK, Gloucestershire, UK Business Park, Broadway. anyway, those will be interesting to design with because I got a blank slate to work with on one side. And then the 3D dogs, ventricular, poker-sized playing cards from Kickerland. I thought it was Kirkland for a second there. I think I picked up a pack of these myself somewhere. But each one has a different dog and they all change when you move them. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So those are cute. Good to trade with pet lovers. And each one seems to be different. They're nice thick cards. And they are ATC size, so that'll be good. And let's see. Oh, there's another golden book here. A couple more. Little Red Hen, which I do remember that book. And this one looks like it's had a little bit of dampness over time, but nothing's damaged. Nothing's, it's a little bit warped, but it's not discolored at all. And something reading book. Someone's written in the back. And then a little cottontail. I'll have to get this one done for Easter. Dutch Boy Non-Food, 49 cents. And this one's from 1960, so that's a good old one. Oh, 11th printing, 1976. Yeah, I like that for Easter. That'll be fun to do. And then a family photo in a frame. Give you a flash of that. And let's see, from Aunt Judy and Uncle Brian, another little photo of my great nephew. And a framed greeting card. And then some clay mask lavender footworks. Some bling. And you've got some star-shaped floral buttons, wooden buttons. And then silver and white bling, pink bling, and green bling. Dollarama, I think. Yep, Dollarama. It's a lot of stuff for the price she probably paid for it. She's nipped the corner off so I can't see, but that's okay. Don't need to see. And then this I was really thrilled with. This native style makeup bag. Nice big one. I think I can use it to replace the one I've been using for when we go to Ottawa. Just love that. It's got some thickness to it. It's Maxine Noel is the artist. Just love it. And it's even got an aqua interior. And I think it's probably a Canadian artist, but I'm not sure. It's designed in Canada, yeah. And then inside that was Royal Chocolatey Biscuit Cake Black Tea, pyramid tea bags. So that's interesting. Can't wait to try that. And then the pièce de résistance on this gift. Oh, there's one more little thing, which was a hand sanitizer in a little keychain holder. And then two things that were Edith Holden related. Decoupage Scrapbooking Collectible Country Diary Volume 2. Papergraphed ephemera to cut and collage. So it's in the Edith Holden style, and it's journaling pages that you can fold in half, looks like, to make a book. Lots of great images in that beigey green background from the Edith Holden stuff is just such a nice vibe. So that's pretty cool. And then the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, a new copy of the book. And it was, yeah, it's printed recently, I think. Yeah, 2024. So I'll do a more thorough flip through on that for you. I've got a few things that I'm going to do flip through videos for. So do stay tuned for that. And join me on that flip through playlist even I'll be creating. So thank you very much for watching. And if you like to see haul and shopping videos and haul videos and happy mail videos, do subscribe. We do a lot of those. I do a lot of those. And like, comment, share, subscribe. But most of all, have a great day. Thanks for watching.